Heritage provides many different extracurricular activities, from academic programs to sports, all listed in the course selection. But out of all of the sports, there is one that isn't there: powerlifting. Though the sport is unlisted, it has been a key part of Rihanna Saez's high school experience. Since her freshman year, she's progressed within powerlifting.
So like freshman year, I was like heavily relying on all of my equipment and stuff like that. But now I'm going in the unequipped region and I'm just relying more on myself and like my personal weights and stuff like that, and not just like all my equipment to back me up.
The improvements Rihanna made in her training have been the key to her success, earning a spot at the state competition during her second year.
I think my biggest accomplishment would definitely be like going to state my sophomore year, and I've just been more like, I wouldn't say successful, but like more secure in myself and like the weights I can put up on my own.
Along with being a powerlifter, she's also involved in cheer, balancing both sports at the same time. Her powerlifting coach, Anthony Hicks, recognizes how her cheer experience gives her an advantage in the sport.
There's a lot of demands that come with cheer and competitive cheer and the things and all the other aspects that she's in. And with the position she does with cheer as being a back spot, I mean, she is lifting and holding and supporting others. So now just doing it with weight also has just become second nature.
Her commitment to the powerlifting program influenced her cheerleading teammate, Mackenzie Rutherford, who has seen Rihanna's dedication in both sports.
It's really inspiring how easy she makes it look. She does everything like 100%, both powerlifting and cheer. I think her dedication and how just all in she is so motivating because it makes us all want to go all in and cheer and everything else we're doing.
As Brianna continues to balance both cheer and powerlifting, the powerlifting sport is facing its own setbacks.
Actually, after my first year as a freshman, they were taking it away, and I think it's mostly just because like there's just a lack of interest in it from like the Frisco ISD standpoint.
Even with the program ending, students who already started were given a choice. Rihanna chose to keep putting in the work as a cheerleader and as a powerlifter.
I think my dedication to both sports has helped me succeed just by like showing up, going to practices, and putting that work in, because at the end of the day, practice does make progress.
I'm Kaelyn Johnson with Coyote Nation TV.